Meaning of happy families.
Happy families.
Happy families.
Happy families.
Happy families. Happy families is a phrase that typically refers to a situation where all members of a family live together harmoniously and without conflict. It can also be used sarcastically to describe a situation where everything appears to be going well on the surface, but there may be underlying issues or tensions lurking beneath. The phrase is often associated with the popular card game of the same name, which involves collecting sets of matching cards depicting family members. Overall, happy families connotes a sense of familial unity and contentment, whether genuine or superficial.